I have to be the colorful one?
Because it fits better.
Would taking one step up on the rope be too high?
Take it as one.
Yeah.
What the hell are you talking about?
No slack on the line. Walk back. Amazing.
You got this, Louis.
No, you're not ready for anything.
Y'all like to lift me up there, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it. There's no way I'm gonna be able to climb up that way. I'm gonna get that yellow one right up there, okay?
Yeah, you got this, Louis. You got this, Dante.
Is that my cup?
Let's go, Dante.
You got it, Dante.
Get it, Lou.
Oh yeah. Use your body.
I think. Okay, he's going. No, I'm gonna get my. Oh my god, what is it?
Good job, guys. Let's go.
No, there's like no rock here.
You got it, Louis. Use your problem-solving skills.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Get it, Lou.
He's going up there.
Oh yeah, you're great.
Ready to jump? Yeah, I want to come down.
Ready?
Keep going.
3,
Is he
2,
gonna keep going?
1. Jump.
Let go of the rock. Come down. Yeah, let go of the rock. Let go of that rock you're holding on to. Hold on to your
Are you gonna
rope.
go on
We're
there?
gonna slowly bring you down. Can you face the rock wall? Can you body maybe not right now.
You got it, Lou. Put your left foot on the orange one so you can rest.
Isaiah.
Yeah?
If you need to move towards the middle, go towards the middle.
Louis. You got this, later.
Come on, Lou.
Well done, Dante.
Oh yeah, it is harder than it looks.
Come on, Lou. There's a rock right there on the top for your right foot. Your right foot. Yes, put your foot there. Push up. Come on, Lou.
Yeah, you got it, Louis.
Listen if you want a little boost.
Use the orange rock on your left hand, yeah, and then push up.
Push with your left foot. There you go.
Okay, there's another loose rock.
There you go. There you go.
Nice push.
Good. Let's go. You're more than halfway up. Let's go. Put your left foot on that green one, the loose one.
It is really
Is it?
I saw like someone else step on it.
It moves, right? Yeah. Good job, Lou. You're almost there.
It's a song, y'all.
Gotta move.
Let's go, bud.
Is this really on it? I don't think so.
Oh, no.
Pull me a little bit.
You want a boost? Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Balls. Is that good? Yeah.
You got it, Louis. You're almost there. Don't give up.
I can never.
Let's go, Louie. You're good. You're good. Left foot on the green. Pull. Woo! Did you look at the view, Louie?
Where'd Dante go? Oh, he's over there.
I'm gonna try this one more time.
I'm hot. Hey, Rapper, are you gonna go now?
Oh yeah.
Good job.